We are walking, we are walking, we are walking. Oh, hi, Dino.
Hi, Massimo. What's happening?
I went out and I got some good vegetables and I figured, what are we gonna do with those? And maybe we should do some Abruzzo stuffing. We can stuff eggplant, peppers, artichokes, fish, you name it, we can do it.
Do you find pecorino?
Pecorino. Yeah, I did find pecorino.
Romano?
No. Abruzzese, maybe. The ingredients for Abruzzo stuffing are yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, chopped zucchini, garlic, oregano, pecorino, grated pecorino, black pepper, salt, basil, parsley, chopped tomato, Italian sausage or pancetta, breadcrumbs, onions, extra virgin olive oil, and parmigiano. All right, right now we're gonna make Abruzzo stuffing. One of the most universal stuffing that you can put it anywhere. Bell peppers, eggplants, fish. Really, you can stuff anything you want.
Excellent.
We're putting extra virgin olive oil. Then we're gonna put a little bit of onion. Then we're gonna put sweet yellow bell pepper. Then chopped zucchini, and we're gonna saute gently. Then we're gonna add a little bit of sausage. Then we're gonna add a little bit of pieces of sausage, fine Italian sausage, just with salt and pepper. Saute gently when everything, all the vegetable turn golden. Once the vegetables are almost cooked, almost towards the end, we add a little bit of garlic because we want to keep it fresh. We don't want it cooked. Just a little bit of, it makes a little bit of flavor, so we keep it nice and fresh.
Okay, Massimo, start to mix. Breadcrumbs.
All right. We're mixing the breadcrumbs with things that we just recently sauteed. All right, so we're gonna be adding the tomatoes, then we're gonna add a little bit of parmigiano, then grated pecorino, a little of parsley, oregano, a little basil, and then just a little bit of pepe trito if you have it available. Salt, pepper, and then the final touch, we're gonna be cutting scamorza, which is our refined, elegant, upgraded version of your mozzarella. It's this is the scamorza. This is a dehydrated mozzarella, so it doesn't have a lot of humidity and it's perfect for this kind of stuffing. We're gonna drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. So we're gonna, Dino's squeezing the Abruzzo stuffing. Once it gets nice and compact that way, thanks to the oil, it's ready. You can find this recipe on abruzzocibus.com under the blog area. You will find all the ingredients and all the measurements right in there.